Hello, Mithu. This is my parrot, and its name is Mithu.
Doggy.
Doggy, not doggy. Come back, Mithu. Mithu, do you wanna eat chips? Chips. Come and take it. Hurry up, Mithu. Mithu, eat chips. Come and take it. Hi, Toti. Hi. Take it. Eat it. Yes. It's so delicious. It can speak. I can show you how it speak. How she speak. Chalo, come and touch.
Baby say Mithu.
No, she haven't say baby. But do she? She wants to go up, but we didn't let her go.
Come on.
No, not yet. First, she have to speak. Oh.
पता है, जाने दो ना अभी.
A lizard, a green lizard.
She stopped
Hi.
to see what anybody coming to catch me. She vanished.
Oh. Hi. Hi, Toti. Hi. हाँ अब झांको. Okay, bye bye.